Let's say, for example, we have a folder which holds a lot of Excel files, and we would like to rename bananas to apples. This can be easily done using Advanced ETL Processor workflow. Let me show how. Create a new workflow. Let's call it rename Excel sheet. And since we are going to work with all files in the directory, we need to be able to loop over them. It's going to be easier done using files loop. So we select file and we rename it because we need to use mask. And we'll be using loop value variable. Just copy it. Next step is to add rename sheet. Workflow action, setting file name, and we need to set old sheet name is bananas. Bananas, and change it. We just need to close the loop. And we are ready to run it. We'll just run it, see what happens. So check. Files. Can you see it's called apples now? Excellent. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions or need any help automating working with Excel files, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.